What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's good? I'm Ari and today we are doing a remodeling renovation, I guess, of our guest bathroom. For those of you who know, when we got our house, we got a 3-bedroom house and we had 2 of Fletcher's roommates come live with us because we were like, we're not going to be able to afford this, just he and I. So we ended up having 2 of his buddies live with us. One moved out in August, so we flipped his room into the nursery. The other one just moved out a couple days ago, so we just cleaned out his room today, vacuumed, shampooed the rugs, did all that jazz. So that room's gonna be like our guest room, at-home office, and kind of just where we put all the baby's extra things like the pack and play and like his swing thing. If we don't want it in the living room, it's gonna go in that room. So I kind of wanted to tackle their guest bathroom because it's been a guy's bathroom this whole time that we had it, so now I can kind of make it like a nice bathroom, so when people come over they have that bathroom. I figured I can come to Ross and get everything I need to help make this bathroom look better than it was. So here we are. I'll see you guys when we get inside. I got everything I need. These little baskets to organize all the cleaning supplies underneath the sink, trash can, needed a rod to hang up curtains in that guest room. This to put the toilet paper so it's above the toilet, shower curtain, shower liner. It says beach house, like one of the signs we have in the bathroom, so I'm gonna stick with that and do like beach like shells. Just kind of cute. And then I have the little beach hooks, and then I got this eucalyptus diffuser smell in there, and then like a little accent towel. So yeah, time to leave. I had to pull my car up because there was too many bags and I'm pregnant and I can only take 2 at a time, but got everything kind of thrown in there. Last minute I saw the toilet paper holder. It's like a geometric one, so I got that. Yeah, sorry I look so crazy. It's just been a cleaning day, so see you back at the house. Our little video here of what we got. And then I have these that I'm just gonna put in there on this. So let's get into the bathroom. Alright guys, so it's really just a bathroom. Very little. So it's gonna be pretty easy to make this look better than it does. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are putting some porcelain down. We took up all the flooring in here and now it's just like this. So yeah, this floor will go down. Got a new toilet, so that'll be changed. Let's transform this baby. All right, look how cute these little beach shells and stuff is. Got the little towel rack thing. Got some wipes, some smell goods, extra soap. This little number, super cute. And then a little beach house sign, cute. New floor is in. New toilet. Looking good. So that's the transformation of this guest bathroom. I love it. I love the beach theme. I love the blues. I love the tans. And I just think it looks really great. And I'm excited to let people use this bathroom now. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you made it this far, you might as well already hit that subscribe button and see what other videos I got. I will be giving you guys the nursery tour very shortly, and then I might as well just do the little transformation of the other bedroom in our home. So if you like these videos, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.